I'm Eric Perkins. On this episode, I'm doing built-ins at my own house. Why am I doing this? Number one, it's raining, so I can't work on a regular job. Number two, my wife. She's asked me to do this for 6 years we've lived in this house. This is a foreclosure we bought. Let's have a look around. Wow, looks like a house. And so it's a great place, but it was missing these built-ins that would be really nice to have on either side of the fireplace. And so what I'm gonna do is try to do this for less than 1,500 bucks all in one day. Total, like designing it, going to buy the stuff, putting it in, done, like decorated. So let's see if we can do it. This is gonna be awesome. All right, final thoughts before I get going. I hope my wife likes this when it's done. I'm sure she'll love it, but she does have high expectations because I'm a builder and a YouTuber. I hope this thing turns out. All right, here's the section we need. We got these white diamond cabinets, shaker door. That'll look really nice. All right, here's my shelf boards right here. 8-footer, 1x12, 20 bucks. Get about 10 of those babies right there. And then we'll get, I think they have pre-cut down here, yeah. Like for the face trim, pre-cut 1x's prime, so that'll work good. I'll get a bunch of those as well. Brad nails, see, quarters, 18 gauge. Bingo, finally, find this stuff. This is like MDF, like beadboard strips that we'll use behind the shelving. 20 bucks a box, and I think I need, let's say, 3 boxes of this stuff. Couple tubes of white caulk, goes a long way. All right, and this is gonna be our countertop here. Piece of this butcher block. It's looks like that, and we'll stain it. And they got huge lengths of it, 2 feet wide or 3 feet wide. So I think I can grab this 10-footer here and cut it in half, and that'll get what I need. 400 bucks. Stain. I did not discuss stain color with my wife. Here's my options. I'm just gonna grab a couple and wing it. Okay, I am gonna go with the pre-stain conditioner. This helps it look even. And my final choice, special walnut. I love special walnut. I think that'll look great on there. Chip brush for the stain. Actually, I need another one for the pre-stain conditioner. Okay, I'm also getting paint to match these cabinets, and I'm actually matching a filler strip here. Ultra white, too white, so it's not quite white. This color, cool gray, is a lot closer. Not exactly, but I'm gonna do that. And I'm also gonna match the sheen, this little chart here, and I think eggshell is where it's at. We're gonna get some cool gray eggshell to go on these shelf boards. All right, we got it in there, and some's in the truck, but let's head to the house. First injury of the day already happened. All right, we're about to rally out of Lowe's finally. And I actually met someone that watched our channel in Lowe's. What's up, Ray? That was awesome to meet you. Okay, we got our acacia wood top here, which looks pretty nice for the money, I think. We're gonna test it on the back side with just the stain, and then also pre-stain and then the stain, see what we like better. So that's what we got. And this is the back. We're gonna do that first so that when we install it, hopefully it will have dried some and it won't smell so bad in my house. Oh yeah, nothing beats the satisfaction of a hand plane. All right, we've got our 2 cabinets in place here, 36 and an 18. And first thing is we're gonna have to chop the baseboard right at the front edge of these cabinets and remove the baseboard from behind the cabinets so it'll go tight to the wall. I'm gonna have to space this out so that our drawer misses the windowsill there. It'll be important. looks good. Got the stain on here. That looks really nice. Love it. All right, lunchtime. Here's what we got done. Cabinets installed. Tops are going in. Looking good. Oh, it's been a real job doing this project with Benson here. He's like just chewing on your leg or something the whole time. Why would they put a sticker on this that doesn't come off? Doesn't make sense, does it? I can't get it off of there. Yeah, there we go. Here's one thing we did run into. We had to take this window trim off to get this box in. We pre-built it, and then I didn't account for the thickness of that trim, and it wouldn't go no matter where we put it. So we ripped that off, and it's gonna have to go back in and get caulked in.
Go gadget.
Let's do this. Oh yeah. Come in. Here's the most important part is, does the TV fit?
Where's it been sitting?
Huh?
Where's the TV been sitting?
It was just on like a little stool thing here. It looked terrible. Now it looks awesome. Built in, custom sized. Thanks for joining us for our cabinetry install at my own house. It was a lot of fun. Grayson loves it, and so does my wife, and I think they look great too. I feel like a real grown-up now that I have cabinets in my living room and shelves with decor lined across them. It's pretty awesome. So we were just over budget. It was about $1,750 by the time we bought the knobs, which I don't have yet, So they're coming through the mail from Etsy. Took us about a day and a half, okay? We failed on the 1-day install. It was installed in 1 day, but we did not get the paint on it on the first day. So second day, we painted and we decorated, and now we've got little things across our shelves in our living room. Feel like such a grown-up. I'm such a grown-up now that I have cabinets in my own living room. So thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.